Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the category-wise cutoff for all the GFTI of India, that is Government Funded Technical Institution. Here I will discuss the CSC, IT and EC cutoff. Along with this, I will discuss their average package, highest package, fee structure and many more. So watch this video till the end to get all this information about all the GFTI of India completely. And if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get such type of information in future also. And if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section. And for many videos on IITs, NITs, triple ITs, check the I button as well as the description box. So let us start today's video. With Assam University. Here is the cutoff for this college. For general category, CSC home state cutoff goes to 1,34,000 and CSC other state cutoff goes to 41,000. And for EC branch, the general category cutoff for home state goes to 2 lakh and for EC other state, the cutoff is 47,000. Now for OBC category, the CSC home state cutoff goes to 78,000 and CSC other state 15,000. For EC home state 1,20,000 and for EC other state 16,000. Now talk about the SC branch. For SC category, the CSC home state cutoff goes to 16,000 and CSC other state cutoff goes to 8,000, that is SC category rank. And for EC home state, the SC cutoff goes to 18,000 and EC other state cutoff goes to 9,000. Now talk about the ST category. The CSC home state cutoff goes to 7,000 and other state 3,000. For EC home state 8,000, EC other state 5,000. Now talk about the EWS category. The CSC home state cutoff goes to 23,000 and CSC other state cutoff goes to 6,000. EC home state cutoff goes to 35,000 and EC other state cutoff is 7,000. The average package of this college is 4 lakh per year and the highest package is 12 lakh and the fee is very less, that is 60,000 per year. Now talk about the next GFTI, that is Gurukula Kangari Vishwavidyalaya Haridwar. Here is the cutoff for general category. There is no home state other state quota in this college. So for CSC, the general category cutoff goes to 46,000 and for EC 55,000. For OBC, the CSC cutoff is 16,000 and for EC 17,000. For ST category, the CSC cutoff is 10,000 and EC cutoff 11,000. For ST category, the CSC cutoff is 5,000 and for EC 5.5 thousand. For AWS, the CSC cutoff is 6,000 and for EC, the cutoff is 7,000. The average package is 3 lakh per year, highest package is 5 lakh and the fee is 85,000 per year. Now talk about the next GFTI, that is Indian Institute of Carpet Technology, Bhadoi. This college provides only one branch for BTech, it is Carpet and Textile Technology. So the general category cutoff goes to 60,000, OBC cutoff goes to 20,000, SC cutoff goes to 10,000, ST 5,000 and there is no seat for AWS and fee is 73,000 per year. Average package 4 lakh and the highest package is 7 lakh per year. Now talk about the next one, that is IIT RM Ahmedabad. Here is the cutoff for general category. The mechanical engineering cutoff goes to 39,000, civil engineering cutoff goes to 43,000 and electrical engineering cutoff goes to 37,000. This college don't provide the branch CSC, IT or EC. So the OBC cutoff for mechanical 15,000, for civil engineering the 14,000, and for electrical engineering 14,000. Now for SC category, the mechanical engineering cutoff goes to 9,000, for civil engineering 7,000, for electrical engineering 9,000. For ST category, the mechanical cutoff goes to 4,000, civil 3,000, electrical 4,000. For EWS, all the cutoff is 5.5 thousand. Now the average package is 3.7 lakh per year, highest package 10 lakh per year, and the fee is 85,000 per year. Now talk about the next one. It is Institute of Technology, Bilaspur. There is a cutoff for general category. The CSE cutoff goes to 41,000, for EC 52,000, for IT 51,000. For OBC category, the CSE cutoff goes to 15,000, for EC 18,000, for IT 17,000. For SC category, the CSE cutoff 9,000, EC cutoff 10,000, IT cutoff is also 10,000. Now for ST category, the CSE cutoff 4,000, EC cutoff 6,000, and IT cutoff 5,000. Now the fee is very less, that is 29,000 per year, and the average package is 5 lakh, highest package is 12 lakh per year. So it is one of the best college for CSE, IT, EC. If you get any of the three branches, you should take admission in this college. Now the next one is JK Institute of Applied Physics and Technology, Allahabad. Here is the cutoff for CSE and EC. For general category, the CSE cutoff 37,000, EC cutoff 41,000. For OBC, CSE cutoff 13,000, for EC 15,000. For SC, the CSE cutoff is 8,000, EC cutoff 9,000. For ST, the CSE cutoff 4,000, EC cutoff 5,000. For EWS, CSE cutoff 5,000, EC cutoff 6,000. The fee is 1.4 lakh per year, average package 4 lakh, highest package 6 lakh per year. Now talk about the next GFTI, that is National Institute of Electrical and Information Technology, Aurangabad. This college provides only one branch, that is electrical engineering. For general category, the cutoff is 43,000, for OBC 16,000, for SC 9,000, for ST 4.5 thousand, and the average package for this college 3 lakh, highest package 4 lakh, fee is 80,000 per year. Now the next GFTI is National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology, Hatia. That is, the college provides average package of 7 lakh per year, highest package 22 lakh per year, and the fee is 50,000 per year. And the cutoff for this college for general category goes to 55,000, OBC 20,000, SC 11,000, ST 6,000, EWS 8,000. Now talk about the next one, that is St. Longwal Institute of Engineering and Technology. The CSC and EC cutoff for general category is 41,000 and 45,000, for OBC 15,000 and 16,000, for SC 8,400 and 9,700, for ST 5,000 and 6,000, for EWS 5,200 and 5,500. The average package is 9 lakh, highest package is 42 lakh, and fee is 81,000 per year. Now talk about the next one, that is a School of Engineering and Technology, Aizawl. The college provides 3 branches, CSE, EC and IT. The general category cutoff goes to 50,000 for CSE, 55,000 for EC, 51,000 for IT. There is no seat for OBC category in this college, and for SC, the cutoff for CSE 10,000, AC 10,000, IT 11,000. For ST, all the cutoff is approx 6,000. Average package 3 lakh, highest package 5 lakh, and the fee is very less, that is 30,000 per year. The next GFTI is the School of Engineering, Tezpur University. The CSE and EC cutoff for general category is 45,000 and 52,000. For OBC 16,000 and 17,000, for SC 9,000, 11,000, For ST 4,000, 4.5 thousand, and there is no seat for EWS category, and average package is 3 lakh per year, highest package 4 lakh, and the fee is only 48,000 per year. Now talk about the next GFTI, that is Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University. This college is situated in the Jammu Kashmir, and the cutoff for general category is 50,000 for CSE and 56,000 for EC, and there is no reservation for other category. And the average package is 3.5 lakh, highest package 6 lakh, and the fee is 1.5 lakh per year. Next is IIEST Sipur. It is one of the best GFTI of India. The CSC cutoff for general category was 12,000, for IT 16,000, for OBC the CSC cutoff is 4.5 thousand, IT cutoff 5.5 thousand. For SC category the CSC cutoff is 2.3 thousand and IT cutoff 3.3 thousand. For ST category the CSC cutoff is 1500 and IT cutoff is 2100. For EWS, the CSC cutoff is 1500 and IT cutoff is 2100. Average package is 6.5 lakh per year, highest package 39 lakh, and the fee is 1.4 lakh per year. Next is HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar. The CSC cutoff for general category goes to 47,000, IT 50,000, EC 54,000. For OBC, the CSC cutoff 16,000, IT also 16,000, and EC 18,000. For SC category, the CSC cutoff 9,000, IT cutoff 10,000, EC cutoff 11,000. And for SC category, the CSC cutoff and IT cutoff both are same, that is 5,000, and EC cutoff 7,000. For EWS, the CSC cutoff is 6,000, IT 6.5 thousand, and EC 7,000. Now the average package is 3.5 lakh, highest package 8 lakh, and fee is very less, that is 36,000 per year. Now the next one is PIT Mesra Ranchi. The CSC, IT and EC cutoff for general category is 11,000, 13,000 and 18,000. Now for SC category, and there is no seat for OBC category reserved in this college. So for SC, the CSC cutoff is 2.5 thousand, IT cutoff 4,000, EC cutoff 6,000. And for ST, the CSC cutoff 1700, IT cutoff 2000, and EC cutoff 2.5 thousand. Now for EWS, the CSC cutoff is 1500, IT cutoff 1700, and EC cutoff 2400. The average package is 10 lakh per year, and highest package is 40 lakh per year, and the fee is 3 lakh per year. Now the next is Triple IT Naya Raipur. Here is the CSE C cutoff for general category. The CSE cutoff for general category goes to 22,000, EC cutoff 30,000. For OBC, the CSE cutoff is 9.5 thousand, and for EC 11,000. For SC category, the CSE cutoff is 5,300, EC 7,400. For ST 2,600 and 4,000. And the average package is 8 lakh, highest package 28 lakh per year, and the fee is 1 lakh per year. Now the next is PEC Chandigarh. The CSC cutoff for general category goes to 9,000, EC 14,000. There is no seat for OBC category, and for SC the CSC cutoff 2,000, EC cutoff 4,000. For ST the CSC cutoff 2.2 thousand and EC cutoff 3,000. The average package is 5 lakh per year, highest package 12 lakh, and fee is 1 lakh per year. Now the next is University of Hyderabad. The college provide only one branch, that is CSC. The general category cutoff goes to 15,000, OBC 7,000, SC 2,500, ST 1,700, and there is no seat for EWS category. The average package is 5 lakh, highest package 14 lakh, and the fee is very less, that is 42,000 per year. So that's it about all the GFTIs of India. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and also share this video to your friends. Thanks.